Can negligence lawsuits result in punitive damages? Have you ever wondered if negligence lawsuits can lead to punitive damages? This is a question many people ask when they think about personal injury law. Let's break it down in a straightforward way. Negligence happens when someone fails to take reasonable care, causing harm to another person. To prove negligence, the injured party must show that the other person had a duty of care, breached that duty, caused harm, and that damages occurred. Now, punitive damages are a bit different. These are additional monetary awards meant to punish the wrongdoer for particularly harmful behavior. They are not designed to compensate the injured party for their losses. Instead, they aim to deter similar behavior in the future. So, when can punitive damages be awarded in negligence cases? It's not common, but it can happen under specific circumstances. The defendant's actions must be willful, malicious, reckless, or grossly negligent. This means their behavior shows a conscious disregard for the safety of others. For example, if someone drives under the influence of alcohol and knows it is dangerous, that could lead to punitive damages. Other instances include intentional physical assaults or hiding known dangers, like defective products. Medical malpractice involving deliberate misconduct can also fall into this category. If a plaintiff wants to pursue punitive damages, they must specifically request them in their lawsuit. They also need to provide evidence that supports their claim of the defendant's egregious conduct. This evidence can include medical records, accident reports, witness statements, or even internal company documents. In many places, the legal process for these cases is split into two phases. The first phase determines if the defendant is liable and what compensatory damages are owed. The second phase decides if punitive damages are appropriate and how much should be awarded. Judges have the discretion to grant punitive damages, but they are not guaranteed. Punitive damages are more likely in cases where there is repeated wrongdoing or intentional harm. They hold defendants accountable beyond just compensating the injured party. Personal injury attorneys play a key role in gathering the necessary evidence to show the defendant's reckless behavior. It is also worth noting that punitive damages are relatively rare in negligence cases. Most negligence does not involve willful or malicious intent. Some states even have caps on punitive damages or specific rules about when they can be awarded. Remember, the goal of punitive damages is punishment and deterrence, not to enrich the plaintiff. In summary, while negligence lawsuits primarily seek compensatory damages, punitive damages can be awarded when the defendant's actions show a conscious disregard for safety. This makes punitive damages an important, though exceptional, aspect of personal injury law.